David here, Weekly Wheat Look. Today is Saturday, 16th December. UK wheat markets closed 2:35 p.m. Looking at the May contract 2018, we've got the yearly chart in front of us. We can clearly see that we've got a falling short-term trend with a long-term medium trend and a longer-term downwards trend. We are below the 60 SMA, which we've identified here on this one at 144.75, 142. We can cast our eye across and we can see support here at 140. Let's pop down into monthly. We can see here that the market has been falling since July. We can see that we've got a November big round candle here. We're below the closing level and we closed 142. Let's pop down the weekly. We can see here we had a sideways week last week, below a negative week previously, and previous to that you can clearly see, if you cast your eye here, that we've got a falling trend. We now pop down into the all-important daily. We can see here on this that we had support back in August, 142. This was tested in middle of November, broke at end half of November. We bounced up above the 20 SMA and we're now below it. We've broken below it most of the week and we closed dead on the line at 142. My indications are that we're still in this falling trend. We're below the 60 and the 12 SMA. We're touching support here again at the moment. If this breaks next week, then we will look for a test at the lows here, 140. Pop and have a look at the new crop. The new crop on the yearly chart, monthly candles, is at the moment holding above the 60 SMA, 141.25. SMA 60 comes in at 139. We've got supports, falling stochastics, and we've got support again on this chart at 140. Pop down and look at the daily. We can see here swing low in August at 143. This was a high back in January of this year. We've been above this until we broke through again end of November. We came back up to test this level, 143, and we're below the 60 and the 20 SMA. Made new lows again this week at 140.50. I've indicated on here where we probably look to continue downwards in this falling channel down to test a sort of level 138. But obviously we looked for anything above 43 as a negation of this, but at the moment we certainly can indicate that we've got a third month of falling prices, and at the moment the trend is still down. I think that's all, so we'll put an update this time next week. Thanks for watching.